Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A10s and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines which I've applied before starting recording this video. It is because I would like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So let's enter the settings right now, which are in the left upper corner. Let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find reset settings. Let's tap on it, and here the device will ask you if you really want to reset all camera settings, so simply tap on reset, and we just got back automatically to the camera. And as you can see, the grid lines are not available right now, they are not applied, so it means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Samsung Galaxy A10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.